I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious biscuits at home. First, gather your essential ingredients for the perfect batch. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Don't forget 1/2 cup of very cold milk or buttermilk, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, also very cold and cut into small pieces. A touch of sugar, about 1 tablespoon, is optional for a hint of sweetness. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar if using. Add the cold butter pieces and use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the dry ingredients until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs with some pea-sized pieces. Slowly pour in the cold milk, mixing just until the dough comes together. Turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and gently fold it 3 or 4 times to create those wonderful layers. It's time to shape your biscuits. Gently pat the dough into a rectangle about 3/4 of an inch thick. Resist the urge to use a rolling pin, as this can make them tough. Use a 2-inch biscuit cutter, pressing straight down without twisting, to create your biscuits. Arrange them on a baking sheet, leaving about 1 inch between each for even baking. Bake in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Once your biscuits emerge from the oven, brush their tops with a little melted butter for an extra golden sheen and rich flavor. This simple step adds a lovely finish. Serve them warm, straight from the oven, alongside your favorite jam, a dollop of honey, or a savory gravy. For any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days. Reheat gently in the oven or microwave to bring back their fresh-baked warmth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.